Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Bambang Supriyanto. I am the Director General of Social Forestry and Environment Partnership. I am standing here on behalf of the Minister of Environment and Forestry of the Government of Indonesia. Then I would like to deliver her message to participant of the ASEAN Apiculture Conference. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Best regard and wishes for all of us with God's blessing and willing. To all of respected and prominent guests, President of Indonesian Apicultural Association, Council of Executive of Apimondia Regional Asia, General Chairman of Indonesian Apicultural Associations, keynote speaker, invited speaker, academia, researcher, and all of the ASEAN member countries delegates. First of all, let us convey our sincere gratitude and God for all of this might and blessing that as of the occasion, we are still given chances and courage to fulfill our dedications to the nature and environment, and be present here to attend the 14th ASEAN Apiculture Conference. The theme of the conference, which deal with the bees, environment, and sustainability, describe the strategic implication that illustrate how closely related it is between bees and environment, and how essential it is to secure the environment for the bee sustainability. Bees could survive and develop with the support of food and vegetation sources. Honeybees have contributed a lot in enhancing fruit and seed production and inducing the plant growth through the what we call so-called their pollination actions. Accordingly, in this way, bees afford precious role in the process of survival and diversity of plant species. In other matters, nectars and stamen could serve as food sources for bees, which are beneficial for bee survival. Those two kinds of valuable roles which are synergic to each other, as afforded by bees, reveal the interesting mutual symbiosis. Consequently, the balance between bees and the availability food sources deserve through attention in order that the bee colonies and honey production could be well secured and produced continuously. Ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia strongly seems to have high potential to produce bee honey in considerably quantity as well as quality. Nevertheless, the domestic honey production so far is still below the honey demand. Nowadays, Indonesia honey production reaches 1,000 to 1,500 tons a year, while honey consumption corresponds to 3,500 to 5,000 tons a year. For that inconvenient case, accordingly, I deliver a strong message in order that this forum, especially the Indonesian Apicultural Association, could formulate and release an effective strategy for the development of the national honey production and provide significant contribution to participate in enhancing as well as developing the apicultural activities in Asia. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope in this conference become very appropriate in that for the overall participants should share with each other regarding the information associated with apicultural technologies and conducting the intense communication among ASEAN countries as the production media. In this conference will be presented 147 papers by the scientific and related researchers from various ASEAN countries, whose expertise cover broad specification beginning from the bee biology, pests, bee disease, until the apicultural education counseling. A comprehensive discussion regarding technical, social, and economic aspect might come about interestingly. Further, those who hold the essential position should maximize their role in increasing and progressing the apicultural. Meanwhile, academicians and scientists should take significant role in bringing out the science and technology innovation that conform to the most recent science and technology need. The business actor in this way could later develop their promotion network and strategies. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this is the time that I should finish my welcoming speech. I'm hoping that we will do today could bring beneficial result as greatly as possible for the sake of apicultural progress in Asia, and could also release strategy recommendation in enhancing, developing, and promoting apicultural more broadly. After all, by saying Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, I formally open the 14th ASEAN Apicultural Conference. We profoundly hope that God will support and give right direction to our intended good deed altogether. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.